Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning Canva presentations for 2025. Whether it's for a business pitch, a meeting, or showcasing your creative work, Canva makes it simple to design professional slides quickly. Start by opening Canva and typing presentation into the search bar. You'll see a variety of templates ranging from simple layouts to more elaborate designs. Don't worry about picking the perfect one. Just choose a starting point that fits your style and the tone of your presentation. Once you've selected a template, click Customize this template to open it in Canva's editor. Here you can modify almost everything. Change backgrounds, insert images, add videos, or adjust colors and layouts to match your vision. Next, focus on the text. Replace the placeholder content with your own words, making sure your message is clear and flows naturally from slide to slide. Adjust fonts, sizes, and colors, so everything is easy to read while staying visually appealing. Take advantage of Canva's elements and multimedia options to make your slides engaging. Icons, graphics, and animations can help bring your story to life. Keep your design consistent across all slides for a polished, professional look. Finally, preview your presentation and make sure everything looks cohesive. When you're happy, click Download and select your preferred file type. Now you have a beautiful, personalized presentation ready to impress any audience. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can turn any Canva template into a professional, eye-catching presentation. Keep experimenting with layouts, colors, and multimedia to make your slides truly unique. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.